Hi, this is Joey Tafolla, and you're rocking with Marie on NHK Rock Sound Radio. It was my 14th birthday, and it was about, it was right before school got out. I got my first electric guitar. About a week later, I did something very bad, extremely bad, that my dad, my father put me on restriction for about the whole summer, 3 months, and during that time I was not able to talk on the phone. I was not able to see anybody. He cut off all my hair and made me stay in my room literally for 3 months. I never went outside, and during that time I had nothing to do but play the guitar. Of course, Eddie Van Halen, who changed the way the world thought with just a great style of playing, and Yngwie Malmsteen, of course, who's just another changed the world again with the way he played, and boosted the level of technique way beyond what was going on. The first time that I heard Yngwie's first solo album, my bass player had just gotten me the album for Christmas, and I unwrapped it really fast, as I could, and I ran to the turntable and I threw it on, And I forgot that the week before that I had been listening to a 45 and completely forgot about it and didn't change the speed on the record player. So when I threw it on and threw on the headphones, I was listening to the first couple tracks of his instrumental album on 45 speed, which just made me want to cry. And finally I figured out that it was on 45 speed. And then when I put it on, I had a sigh of relief. And I put on the record back on 33 speed, and I listened to the songs again, and then I cried. One of them is Paul Gilbert, of course, who was also a teacher, my teacher, and is also a fabulous player who I really admire for his technique, which is flawless. He's got perfect technique, and he's always pushing real hard. Another guy is Tony McAlpine, who then again was also another teacher of mine, whose musicality is superb. His intense classical training gives him the ability to whip great melodies out of a hat all day long, 24 hours a day, and his creativity is endless. Another guy is Sean Lane. He's just doing some things right now that are so bizarre and very innovative. Another good band is Cacophony. They're two good guitar players, Marty Friedman and Jason Becker, who work extremely well together, and they're doing some really nice stuff. Another guy is Joe Satriani, who is really another great guitar player in his own right. I really appreciate his music, and I like his approach to the way he chooses to express himself. It's great. Yes, I do have plans to work with a vocalist on my next album. As a matter of fact, we're writing material right now. The person I'm working with is named Mark Bowles. He's formerly with Rising Force, Yngwie Malmsteen's band. He's got a lot different personality in his voice than what he showcased on Yngwie's album, and we plan to let that out. It would be just to learn as much as you can as quickly as possible and not worry about gaining a style right away. Don't be too concerned with not sounding like anybody else. And just learn as much as you can, and eventually your style will come. And the main thing, of course, is to practice, practice, practice.